Hello and welcome back to my cooking channel. I am your host, the Croissant Mafia. And today joining me again is Mama Croissant.
Hello!
And we are going to be making applesauce, which is what in French?
La compote de pommes.
Yes, and the whole process is going to take about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how fast or slow you are. So let's get started. So for this video, we're going to be using Gala apples. With Gala apples, you're going to need a minimum of 2 pounds, which is about 6 apples. But for this video, we're going to be using 6 pounds, which is about 16 apples. You're also going to need a pot in which to heat the apples in. Any pot will be fine as long as it can fit your apples. You're also going to need this ancient looking thing that is called a food mill to mash your apples into a sort of puree consistency. And finally, you're going to need a bowl to hold your applesauce in.
Alright, so now we're going to take care of the apples and we need to remove the core. You can do it 2 ways. I'm going to show it to you, and whichever is easier for you, well, you can choose the one you prefer. First one, you take a knife and your apple and you cut it in half. And you start removing what we don't need. The other way is with the apple cutter. Again, both ways works. All right, so whichever you choose, you just go with it. There we go. Now I'm gonna add some water, a little bit, to avoid the apples to burn. So it's about a glass of water. As you can see, at the bottom there's some apples that are already cooked, and that's why you need to stir and to make sure that all of them are going to have this consistency. Yeah, what's left is mostly the skin of the apples, so it is fine if you just leave it. You won't have much more of the applesauce coming out. So just there we go. And here you have your applesauce. Just let it cool down a little and you can enjoy it.
Well, that was it for today's cooking video, guys. So the end product is sweet enough for our tastes, so we don't need to add any sugar, but depending on your guys' tastes, you might want to add more sugar. And if you need to add more sugar, you can add it at the end product that you saw there. But in next week's video, we are going to be using that same applesauce to make apple pie. So stay tuned for next week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Say goodbye to Mama Croissant.
Bye!